Can I see how many you have? We have, hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Say fine, thank you.
I'm gonna take attendance really quick. And you can unmute, you can stay off mute. Just so we can, Bella! Maybe it's all girls today. That would be just great. What do you think, Bella? Do you think it's just gonna be just girls today? Annabelle, you could take yourself off mute.
Here, I'll write it.
I'm gonna share my screen and ask you girls some questions. Just us for
There's
now.
only two.
I'm just waiting for one more. This is like girl power.
She's funny.
So I'm just waiting for Reagan. Yes, Annabella, thank you for raising your hand.
Last time we celebrated my brother's birthday, we went to the bouncy house, and then we went to the restaurant to eat some food.
What kind of food did you eat? I like food.
Fries and chicken.
Hi, Reagan. You can unmute, Reagan. You know, I'm not a fan of French fries, but I am a fan of chicken for sure. I love chicken. I like chicken fried. I like fried chicken. You can unmute, Reagan, whenever you have a second. So whenever you, it seems like it's just girls. Whenever you have a question, you can raise a silent hand, and you should be able to see. I'm going to share my screen with you. And when I do, you should be able to see some a 10 frame. Tell me if you guys see my screen. Can you guys see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank you. Okay. All right. So we're gonna get started, and you can if you want, Reagan, you can unmute yourself so you can talk, but if you don't, it's because you know why you're not, and it's okay. Whenever you want to ask a question or answer a question, just raise a silent hand. You know the drill. If you want to answer, if I ask you a question and your answer is yes, go like this. If your answer is no, go like this. If your answer is this, that means you want pizza. Listen, I have a lot of good jokes. Laugh at my jokes. I practice them before I meet you guys. So let's see if Reagan can get some of my jokes. All right. I like to throw jokes in there often. So one of the things that you do in first grade and even kindergarten, you use 10 frames. Now I'm going to put two. Yes, Annabella?
I got a joke.
Okay, can you do me a favor? Can you hold on? Can you keep that joke until about 2:40? No, 2:50. Okay, I'll let you know when. Hold on to that joke. So you're gonna tell us the joke. So on your screen, you should have 10 frames, and I want you to tell me what you know about a 10 frame. What do you know about it? Where have you seen it? What would you do with it? Reagan, what would you do with a 10 frame?
I would put 10 in one and 10 in the other, and it'll help me count by tens.
Ooh, you know something? You're smart. she said if she were to fill this with tens, right, it would help her to count by tens. So this right here is 10, and this right here is 10. So if we were to count by tens, counted by tens would go 10,
20,
20, right? And then
30,
30,
40, 50, 40,
40,
70, 80,
50,
90, 100.
60. Oh, she beat me. 70, 80, 90, 100, right? We have a whole bunch of them, and they were all filled with tens. We could use them to skip count by 10. That's perfect.
And we did to 100 easy.
Exactly. So what else would you do with the 10 frames? What else could we do with them? Raise a silent hand. If your teacher put one on your desk, what do you think she would want you to do with it? Bella?
Use it for math.
Ooh, to do shapes, lines, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing? What kind of math? What would you do with it?
We would add or subtract.
Ooh, going on, kid. And am I saying your name right? Ennalee? Oh, wow, I'm the best, Ennalee. So, Ennalee, is there anything else you would do with the 10 frame, or what else do you know about it?
That you can you could do tens.
You could. You could, right? You could if you were to add all of these great 10s in there. All right, now, so I'm going to take a bunch of counters, and these little red dots are called counters, okay? And today we're going to do a few different things. We're going to use them to subtract, okay? Because you guys said you use them for adding or subtracting, okay? So just for today, we're going to use it to subtract. So I have two 10 frames in front of me, in front of you on your screen. And when there's two 10 frames, it's called having a double frame, double 10 frame. So I'm going to take some of the counters away. Now, you guys know with subtraction, when you take something away, it's also called minus. So I'm going to subtract some counters from 20, okay? I'm going to just take some away. So I'm going to say 8, okay? 1, 2, whoops, get in there. 3, whoops, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh, whoa. You're going crazy. That was 7, 8. Now, these are some wild counters today. This hasn't happened to me so far. They're wild. So I had 20 and I took away 8. I subtracted 8. Now, whoever laughs at my jokes will get promoted to 2nd grade tomorrow. Now everybody wants to laugh at my Raven's like, I'm gonna laugh at all your jokes. So I had 20 and I subtracted 8. So can someone tell me how many are left over and raise a silent hand? How many are left over? Whoa, that was fast. You guys did it almost at the same time. We should call this beat the clock. Okay, all right. So I saw you first, Reagan. How many are left over?
20. 12.
Good. So one of the kids did that earlier. The number was 13 and he said 30. And I understand. So there were 20 and I took 8. And now there's 12 left over. Now, ladies, I'm going to give you a little tip. Now, this tip is free. You don't have to pay me for this one. Okay. So here, you go to 2nd grade if you laugh at my jokes. Here in this 10 frame, there's 10. Now, when you have to go back and count your 10 frames, I do not have to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is an automatic 10. If you count, you're wasting your time. So here's an automatic 10, 11, 12. That's a quick tip for you. I'm not going to charge you for that one. I would have charged you $5 for that tip, okay? Not today. Maybe next week. Next week I'll start charging you $5. So the entrance fee to come next week is $5. Just kidding, ladies. Since it's just girls, we can joke around a little bit. So I have 20, and I want to take away, I don't know, 11. Okay, I'm gonna do this fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get in there.
She's a funny teacher.
7. That's
Yes, I agree.
7, 8. 8, 9, 10. Oh, these are acting weird today. 11. I just took away 11. Someone tell me how many are left over. Annabella, and then Annalie, you got the next one.
It is 14.
How many are left over?
Wait.
How many are still right here? They're still hanging out in that 10 frame.
9.
There you go. Now here's another quick tip for you, and I won't charge you. This one would have cost you $10. So on the top here, you didn't laugh at my joke. I said that would have cost you $10. Okay, we'll try again. So on the top right there, there's an automatic 5. You don't have to add them because every single box is filled up. So I'm just gonna go like this: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 20, when I took away 11, it left me with 9. Okay, an automatic 5 and then 4 more. So that's the same as saying 5 plus 4 is 9. Look how many times we practice our math facts, right? All right. Now, if you have been on extra math, it's going to help you a lot. Extra math is going to give you that speed. It's going to allow you to add numbers quickly. My daughter, I have one daughter, she's 11. She is excellent in math facts. She does pretty good. All right. So if you get on extra math, we'll just promote you to 3rd grade. How about that? Okay. So I have 20. Reagan's like, 2nd, okay, 3rd, I don't know. Annabelle, you there? I don't see your sweet face. Okay. So I have 20. Oh, there you go, cutie. So I have 20, and I'm gonna tell me how many I took away. I want you to tell me how many I took away. Get in there. Acting weird today. Okay, how many did I take away? And how many are left over? How many did I take away? Reagan, and then Annalie.
You took away 7.
Ooh, Annalie, how
And
many?
there's 13 left.
Oh, wait, that was for Annalie. Annalie, how many are left? Thank you.
7. Oh.
How many are left? Don't worry. It's okay, Reagan. How many are left over? I got you, Reagan.
7.
Try again. How many are left? Add all of these up.
13.
Okay, because that's an automatic 10. And then 3 sticking out on the bottom. 10, 11, 12, 13. Does that make sense? That makes sense? Okay. All right. I'm going to close this out, and then I'm going to open something up for you. Watch how fast that opens up. A little slow, maybe because it's a little chilly outside. Do you guys notice how cold it is out? It was cold yesterday.
I do. It's cold today, I feel like.
Today's a little chilly, yeah.
Cold? I was in sweatpants and a sweatshirt.
I know.
Now I'm wearing my cousin Finley's costume. Finley put it on me.
You want to know something crazy? My daughter, her name is Madison. She's 11. You'll meet her. She had swimming yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
The cold. I felt so bad for her. Okay, so I'm going to show you a bunch of base 10 blocks. Okay, they're base 10 blocks because you use them to add up to 10. Okay, now when you see one of these, how many have raised the silent hand if you've seen one of these ones before? If you've seen one of them. Only Reagan? No one has seen one of these ones before.
Nope.
Oh Lord. Okay, here we go. So anytime you see one of these, it means 1. Okay. So that one base 10 block, sometimes they're called ones, or sometimes they're called cubes. So I have one cube right here. So that makes the number one.
Yeah.
2 cubes. That makes the number 2.
2.
I have 3 cubes. That makes the number 3. And I
How
have
do you know this? These are number
it makes
placement.
the number 4.
I didn't know that.
So every one of them is worth 1. Okay. So I'm going to add a few more and tell me what number I just made. Raise a silent hand. What number did I just make? Raise a silent hand. Annabella.
6.
Oh, good. Does anyone agree with you? Oh, Reagan went like this. She was like, I agree with you, girl. And Elise said, yep. She said, you got it going on. All right. Now I'm going to add a few more. Someone tell me what number I made with our cubes or ones. Every one of them is worth 1. Go ahead, Reagan.
7.
Let's see if she's correct. Do you agree with Reagan? Anyone agree with Reagan? Oh, she said she wants pizza. She said, forget it. I want pizza. Okay. Ooh. Reagan, both girls disagreed with you. Do you want to double check your number? You want to add them again just in case? They disagreed with you.
See.
Here we go. Let's see.
4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 8.
Oh,
I forgot that the top one was right there.
it was hiding. It was hiding.
My hand was right there since I don't have a touch screen. I put my hands on it anyways.
Oh, okay. So you know something? I'm gonna double check. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And if I add one more, I made the number 9. Okay. Now I'm gonna take them away. So say adios.
Adios.
Adios. Adios, cubes.
In
Now,
Spanish
I'm gonna
show.
show you something.
In
I don't know if you've seen
kindergarten,
this
I had a
before.
Spanish
There you go.
friend.
Someone tell me if you know what that is, if you've seen that before. Annabella, have you seen that before?
Yes.
What do you know about it?
I saw it on iReady, and
Good. You know,
I don't really know what it is. I don't know what it's called.
okay. Listen, you've seen it. Annalie, when you see one of these, it's in the tens place. Do you know what it is?
It's a 10.
Because it's in the tens place.
Oh.
Smart cookie. All right. So smart cookie. Every time you see one of these, because you're a smart cookie, we have 3 smart cookies, well, 4. Every time you see one of these, it is a 10. So if I were to keep adding them, I would be counting by tens, ladies. 10, 20, 30,
40, 50, 60, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
80, 90, 100. Okay, so someone tell me what number I have here. Raise a silent hand. You have to raise a silent hand. Oh, Annalie.
20.
Ooh, how about this? Who's ready? Raise a silent hand. Ah, what number what number do these base 10 blocks represent? Annalie?
20.
Oh, I see that one hiding over there, that little stinker.
Oh, that's 11.
Oh no, but I have 10, 20.
30?
Oh no. 10, 20, 21.
21.
Okay, Reagan, the next one's for you, Love Bug. You ready? Love to the bug. You ready? Here we go.
I know that one.
All right. What number did I just make? That was good, Annalie. That was very good.
34.
Ooh, let's see if she's right. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Woo! That was awesome. Okay. Annabella, I guess you went to go have some pizza. Okay, here we go. What number did I make here? Oh, come on over. Ah, Okay, what number did I make there?
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
Okay, Annalie is ready.
46.
Okay, Reagan, do you agree with her? Ooh, now let's see. 10. Oh, she said no, I want pizza. She's gonna be like Annabella. She's gonna be like Annabella, went to go get some pizza.
Oh.
10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
I agree.
Good. Okay, Annabella, the next one's for you. Tell me what number I made. Because you went to go have some pizza, so I have to give you one that's kind of easy.
10, 20, 21, and 23.
10, 20, 21. How many ones do I have?
2.
Okay, so what number did we make? What number did you make? Ooh, someone's writing. Okay, Annabella, watch. 10, 20, 21, 22.
Oh, 22.
22. Whoa, she got it. Okay, good job, Reagan. Annabella, next one's for you. What number did I make?
31.
I'm sorry, ladies. There you, woo, come on.
32. 32.
Annabella, what number is that?
10, 20, 30, I think. 40.
Those are ones.
Oh, I forgot.
You can write the number.
21.
31.
Oh, 31. 32.
32. All right. Watch how fast I'm going to take this away. Is it okay if I take it away, Reagan? Show me what you got, girl. A little closer. I'm blind.
32.
You're the bomb diggity. Give yourself a little back clap and say, I'm the bomb diggity. There you go. All right. So I'm going to show you one more thing, lovely ladies. Okay? Watch this. Okay. So you've seen these before. So this is a 120 chart. And we can use them. Look at that. Crazy. We can use this for counting. Okay? I am going to start. Give me 1 second, Annabella. I'm going to start at the number 66. We're going to count on starting at 66. I want to hear your lovely voices, just girls today. 66,
67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 86, 87, 88, 89, 91, 92, 93, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120.
Whoa, that was crazy. We are so wild. We're wild for math.
And
All
I
right,
beat
ladies,
you.
you guys are the bomb. All right. So listen, we're going to do this every Tuesday. All right. So at 2:50 is when I say adios. All right. So ladies, thank you for joining us. I took your attendance. That was awesome. Okay. So we're going to say goodbye.
Yeah, Daddy. Bye. Adios.
Adios. Bye, Reagan.
Adios.
Ren.
Bye.
Bella.
See you
See
soon.
you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. Okay. She said over.